Very good morning, my friends, and welcome to my channel Prodbug. And let's continue the Tosca interesting topics. And in the last chapter, we have seen how beautifully we have sent the email successfully on the Gmail, right? And before that, we have completed all small topics, right? So similar to that, another very interesting and important topic is like to compare the PDF, right? If you have thinking like to compare it to PDF, it's a very big task, right? From the Java and Selenium background, if you think it's kind of impossible, right? Means I never done like comparing to PDF. It's a big challenge, right? And we need to use maybe there may be some libraries we have to use them. Okay, we can't write the code like basically to compare the two PDF. It's a big task. Okay, so, but with the help of Tosca, we can do within 5 minutes. So it will not take more than, and we'll get a beautiful reports. We'll see where are the problems, where are the differences in the PDF. Everything will be color coded. This is so fantastic tool. So let's quickly try to jump and see uh, the coding part. Okay. So let's try to go and create a new folder, create a new test case. Okay, let's create TC003 and prod bug 108. Okay, so this is the folder, test folder. Now we will write a test case. Okay, so Tosca has given each and everything for all these kind of work. So see, go to the modules, standard, engine. Inside the engine, there is a PDF here. Okay, open the PDF, close this. So there are three main modules in PDF. PDF one-to-one compare, basically comparing two file, which we are going to see now. Check PDF for broken links. If there are some links or href something in PDF, you can also click on them. You can verify whether they are working or not. Okay, so and the barcode. If there are some barcode, something related to that, you can also verify those kind of testing. So it is awesome thing. Okay, so let's focus on this one. So as I told you, what we need to do, always drag, go to your test case. Okay, I have not left the mouse is still in my control. So now let's go down, and yeah, here on this third test case, let's drop it. Okay, so now this module has been transferred here. So what we need to do here, nothing more, just give the reference file, give the target file like your A file, your B file, and the percentage accuracy which you are expected. Whether you want to compare 100% the two PDF, or you are okay with the 90, even if the 95% or 90% is matching, you are okay with that. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so let's me show you some PDF. Okay, which we prepared. Let's go open the PDF. Okay, so there are a few PDF I have downloaded. Okay, so this one is one. Okay, this is a time of request form. This is standard PDF. Okay, I downloaded from internet. This is one page which we are, and 1B is exactly the replica. Okay, so there is no difference. So we will see the positive case, we will see the negative case. Okay, so these are exactly two similar PDFs. So there should ideally be passed in one go. Okay, and now in the form B, I have added some details. Okay, my name I have added here. So we should be able to find the difference in this PDF and the first PDF. Okay, so the only difference is like these three lines. So let's see how Tosca will Tosca be able to catch this like difference or not. Okay, that will be a fun. So let me close these PDF. Okay, so what we need to do. So first of all, just copy the path of the PDF. Okay, so let me form 1A. So this is the path. I have already noted it down. Let me copy from here. Okay, so this is our Word document. In the double quotes, remember this should be inside the double quotes. Copy the complete path of the PDF, and let's go to the Tosca. Go to PDF one-to-one comparison. Reference file. So this is our reference file form 1A. What is the target? Now we are going for a like simple like positive case. So 1B, so 1A and 1B are exactly the same PDF. I don't expect any error. Okay, so test case should pass with 100% accuracy. Okay, you have to give 100 here, not the 100 percentage. Okay, because percentage is already here. So just give a number and all the action mode will be input. Save the test case. Let's go and run it. It will go pick the two PDFs. Okay, and so the test case is passed. Okay, so this is passed. So let's see the log info. If Anything important? See the detail column. So passed 1 out of 1 target file successfully met the comparison criteria. Reference file. This is the reference file. This is the past. This is a target file. And see details column for more information. So let's go through the detail. Let's see what information we have here. Comparison result, target accuracy 100%, reference number of pages, there are only one pages, no page excluded from the comparison. Okay, passed. This is the location and the reason target file is identical with the reference file. So yeah, complete report is here, right? So, and you see the duration of comparing the two PDF, like this is like, in milliseconds, in 100 milliseconds, the Tosca is able to compare two different PDF files. Okay, too good, right? So now let's go and change it to form uh, 1A, 1B, and next is B, right? This is the third form where we edited something, right? So let's see, this is the form B, right? Name is correct, form B. So now I'm comparing form 1A to form B. Okay, so you remember the name, I added the name in the form B. So let's see. Now I'm not changing it to 100, let it be 100%. Let's compare the real comparison. Okay. Now, let's again run this test case and we'll see the result. So this failed. Okay, let's see why it failed. Okay, let's see the comparison result directly. Okay, compare result, handle accuracy, etc. Same failed from reason. At least one difference has been detected on page one. Overall match 99.5%. Okay, so 99.5% are correct. Just 0.5% is not matching. Top left area is not matching. Okay, and top right area is not matching, only 97 some percentage. Okay, let's see the log info. There are 0 out of 1 target file successfully met comparison, etc., etc. Failed pages have been stored to. Okay, so in case of failure they store the results. Okay, in case of success no result will be saved. Okay, so let's go and open the folder. Let's go to that folder, the path which they have mentioned. This is the path, Tosca project, Tosca commander, PDF compare failed pages, and this is the folder which created on the runtime. So you can see this is a date timestamp. Okay, based on the date timestamp, they have created a folder. Okay, so there are two things. One is a JSON. Okay, let me see the JSON how it look like. Open with, let's say Firefox. So you can see version. Okay, version of the tool, something like that, comparison, image comparing, the reference path, source, target, etc., etc. Something is given. But the important part is, let's see. So this is of not that much useful. Now, here is the folder. So see, this is a reference file. Okay, this is a reference file. Yes, this is my form initial, the reference file. It should look like this. But let's see the target. This is what we want to see. Okay, see. So this is a target. So now you can see like Tosca able to this area wherever the difference Tosca is able to find, they have marked with the yellow color. Okay, so they have marked with the yellow color that here is some problem, and now manually you can go and check like, okay, yeah, there is some problem. Yes, you will be able to find easily, right? So this is the beauty of Tosca. So wherever you will find the problem, like, so I would give you assignment if you want to really play with that. Write some data here in the vacation, or maybe you tick mark few of the checkbox, write some start date, end date, write the report date, something here. Okay, try to do some multiple changes, 4 5 places in the PDF, and then try to uh, compare the two PDFs. Okay, and then see, let's see if multiple patches will be coming or not. Okay, so this is the beauty of Tosca. So this is what. So you don't have to do anything, just play with the accuracy. Okay, and maybe let's try to reduce the accuracy. Let's try to reduce the accuracy to the 80%. Okay, let's see. And I hope, I'm just hoping, I have not tried yet, it should pass because I reduced drastically. See, PDF has been successfully passed. So so there is no report generated, nothing. Comparison result is like, see, 80%, all the pages of the target file are at least 80% match, because there is a 0.5% of error in the two files, and I have reduced the accuracy to 80%. So now both the PDFs are passed. So this is in your hand basically, right? In your hand. So if you want to make it 100%, the exact pixels error will be appear. If you are okay with small error in your PDF, you can leave it. Okay, so this way you can modify your test cases. So I hope you like this particular topic, and to similar fantastic topics we'll keep just coming up with some new topics. So till then, have a good day and keep smiling and happy learning.